Hey guys, I'm back with another package opening here, unbagging I guess. So this one here is from Zooya official store. I ordered November 2nd and I think it came November 17th. So it took 15 days to come about. And I think this one retailed as a 30 by 30 full square, and I think it retailed for $9.93 Canadian at the time that I bought it. So yeah, so a full square 30 by 30 is what I ordered. And yeah, let's take a quick peek and see what came. So I did open this. I started filming the video and my camera gave out on me, but let's hope it doesn't do it again. So anyway, so first thing we have here is we've got our canvas. So I like these canvases, these like thicker canvases. I try to find stores that have them. So like now that I know this store does, I definitely will be ordering from them again as long as I'm happy with the quality of their drills and stuff. But I just find this canvas here so much easier to work with, so I definitely recommend that. It's got the opaque cover on it, and it looks like it came on a foam roller. The canvas looks like it's in nice condition. It's also not wrapped very tightly, which is quite nice. So it doesn't have tape on it. It didn't come with plastic over it, which is fine. It just came with these elastics, but they're not on there tight. They're just kind of loosely placed on there just to hold the canvas and the roller. So sometimes I find that those can, I like to pick them up because, well, my cat's getting them. I find that they can sometimes leave like marks on the canvas. Doesn't appear to be the case. There's a little bit of a wrinkle here, it looks like, from shipping, but besides that, so we'll take a quick peek at the canvas here before we look at everything else. So it looks like it is true, 30 by 30, but I'll measure it. I'm going to unroll that here. It wasn't very tightly wound, so I'm not really concerned about wrinkles or anything, but I don't know if you can notice the opaque cover is actually on there backwards. The name of the store is upside down, and then the letters are up there. So I'm not sure it doesn't make a difference, but anyway, there's the canvas. I think I counted, let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 colors. I can't see the grid as it's, or the, oh, what's the word I'm looking for? You can't see the symbols because they're covered up here, so we'll have to unpeel this to take a peek. So one thing I am noticing here with this is that the cover is trying to come up with the, it's trying to take the adhesive up with it. So anyway, I'm just going to open it up and take a quick peek here. It's, oh yeah, it's coming up there again. I'm going to have to get it really stuck down here because it looks like it's trying to come up. So there we go. So there's a little bit of an overhang with the glue. There's our canvas. So that's I think it's called the fire football or something. I can put the link for the store in the comments or in the description. That's nice, hey? Nice and clear drill field. There doesn't appear to be any major wrinkles or rivers or bubbles at this point. I'm afraid to pull it all the way off here. All right, I'm going to lay that back down. And we'll take the other side up here. Again, that's sticking, but not as bad as the other side did, so. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. I think you could probably hang this one anyway, really. But yeah, it's like the fire and ice with the soccer ball. I want to do this one for my son's room. He quite likes, his favorite sport is soccer, so I think he's going to like this. But yeah, so the drill field looks nice and clear. I'm going to get up closer there so you can see. Oh, you know what? It is this way. I was looking at the soccer ball and I'm thinking, this is printed upside down. No, that can't be right because the symbols are this way. So let's see. Let's take a look at the symbols here. Oh, there's oh yeah, there we go. There's some letters and those are the right way up. So it does go this way, just the opaque cover is on upside down. So they must have put the adhesive on the wrong way. So nice clear legend. The legend looks nice and clear as well. Looks like mostly symbols though, and not a lot of numbers and letters, which is okay. That'll be new for me, but I think I'll still enjoy doing it. So yeah, overall pretty happy with this canvas. I have a measuring tape here to make sure that we are 30 by 30. So let's see. I'm going to pull this up here just a little bit so I can measure. 30. So this is actually 31. And it starts about there by 30.5. So yeah, like 31 by 30.5, so a little bit bigger than advertised, which is nice. So I like this size because it's easy to find frames for them. So anyway, let's take a peek what else is in here. So we have our drills, and those are all nicely packaged. Numbers, oh, I love the colors in this one. This is going to be a fun one to do. This did come with an inventory sheet, which is nice because not all of the smaller ones like this do come with an inventory sheet. So I'm just going to open this up. You can take a peek at the drills here. They're all packaged so nicely. I always hate ripping into them. So I'm going to do my inventory off camera just for sake of time and come back and tell you whether or not we had all of our drills. I'll just take out a package here so you can see what they look like. Doesn't look like there's any garbage in there. There's no oil, no they don't look to be staticky. The numbers are printed on there. Looks like they'll be okay. You can't really see it because of the glare, but they do look like they'll be okay to read. They're just stamped on with kind of a black ink. That's nice. Have a peek at one more here. And again, those look very nice. There's no garbage in there, no oil, no static. I think those will be easy to work with. So 36 colors, and the 30 by 30 is nice and detailed. So anyway, here's our inventory sheet. So it doesn't look like inventory was done by the company, so I'll have to do that. There's our picture and the instructions as usual. Those are nice. I'm going to do a quick inventory and just come back and let you know whether all the colors were there or not after we're done. And then the last thing that we have in here, is our toolkit, which spilled. So there, it looks like there's about 10 of those thin baggies there. And then we have a pen with a blue squishy single placer. More baggies. Holy! There's like, no, those were just in the bottom of the bag. And then there's like another 10 here. There's like 20 of those. Holy! If you like these baggies, they definitely sent a lot, which is nice if you use them. We have a tray with a white tray with a funnel. I've got some bent tweezers in there. A 9-placer. I don't have one of those yet. And a nice big plate of wax. So anyway, guys, I'm going to just do a quick inventory on the drills, and then I will come back and let you know if everything's here. Hey guys, so yes, everything was here. All the drills were accounted for, the right number of bags. Overall, I would probably give this 10 out of 10. It was here within 15 days. Inventory is complete. The canvas is a nice thick canvas. It was packed well. Communication with the seller was great. Toolkit was nice. I have nothing negative to say. So anyway, thank you for sending this to me, Zooya. I'm anxious to do this kit, and I will do a review on the product when it's finished. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.